Are you still Googling your financial questions? Here's the truth. Google gives you guesses. AI? It gives you game plans. But here's the twist. It's not just what you ask AI, it's how you ask it. Most people treat AI like a search engine. They ask things like, am I making money? Should I expand? These vague questions get vague answers, but the pros, they use specific, structured questions. Instead of, is my coffee van profitable? Ask, if I sell 100 coffees a day at £5 and my daily costs are £200, what's my net profit after tax? Boom. Clear answer. Real strategy. Top business minds use AI like a personal CFO. You can too. No finance degree needed. Try prompts like, estimate 12-month cash flow for a service business earning £15,000 a month, with 30% overheads and 15% tax. Use AI to break down balance sheets. Discover tax planning strategies. Compare your costs to the industry. Spot profit leaks. Learn how to read your financial statements. And yes, you can even ask AI, what better questions should I be asking? Example, time. You sell 200 shirts at £25 each. Ask AI, what's my profit if each shirt costs £10 and I spend £500 on ads? Now ask, how can I use AI to A/B test my product ads and increase profit? Another example, you want to hire your first team member. Ask, if I make £7,000 per month and want to pay someone £25 per hour for 20 hours per week, can I afford it? You'll get a real answer, not a guess. Let's level up. Here are 5 power prompts used by the pros. Prompt 1. Act as a CFO. Ask AI to roleplay. Act as a CFO and help me plan cash flow for low-income months. Prompt 2. Explain it like I'm only 12 years old. Ask AI to simplify. Explain EBITDA using a lemonade stand example. Prompt 3. What am I not asking? Prompt, what blind spots or hidden risks might I be missing? Prompt 4. Compare me to others. Example, I earn £10,000 per month with £6,500 in costs. How do I stack up to others in my industry? Prompt 5. Give me a checklist. Ask, create a 10-step money checklist for my mobile car wash business. Train your brain to train the AI. Start small. Ask clear, smart questions. Save the good prompts. Refine them. This is how you go from guessing to growing. The future, it belongs to the ones who ask better questions. Be the greatest you can be. Join us. Click the link below for short, sharp, simple video courses that give you confidence and street-smart business skills to simplify accounting and focus on growing your business to succeed.